Defeating the overuse of passive voice. Engage your English. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are going to unravel an essential aspect of the English language, the passive voice. More specifically, we will learn how to identify and correct instances of passive voice overuse in sample texts. This skill is important to make your writing and speech more direct, engaging, and easy to understand. Let's dive in. Recognizing passive voice is the first step towards using it effectively. Remember, in a passive sentence, the subject is the recipient of the action, rather than the doer. Look out for sentences where the object of the verb becomes the subject. For example, the cake was eaten by John, instead of John ate the cake. The primary clue is the use of be verbs, is, are, was, were, been, and past participle verbs. While passive voice is not incorrect, it can make your sentences more complex and less engaging if overused. For instance, the sentence, "The ball was kicked by the boy," can be more succinctly and directly expressed as, "The boy kicked the ball." In a broader context, too much passive voice can make your writing seem distant and your points less impactful. Now that we understand what to look for, let's talk about how to correct it. To transform a passive sentence into an active one, identify the actor, the action, and the recipient. Take these components and rearrange them so that the actor performs the action on the recipient. For example, the car was driven by Mary becomes, Mary drove the car. Practice is key to mastering this skill. Let's examine a sample text. The report was prepared by the team. The presentation was given by Sarah. The meeting was attended by everyone. Over to you now. Can you turn these sentences into active voice? Well done. Here's one possible solution. The team prepared the report. Sarah gave the presentation. Everyone attended the meeting. The more you practice, the more naturally you will start identifying and correcting overuse of passive voice. And there we have it. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate passive voice entirely, but to use it effectively. We hope this video has empowered you to tackle the overuse of passive voice in your English writing and speaking. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll master this skill. Until next time, happy language learning!